I'm starting my San Diego vlog here. I leave for San Diego in a little bit, but I just wanted to start taking my hair out. I put some perm rods on my braids just to curl them back up a little bit. I've been wearing my hair up a lot recently and it's kind of been messing with the curls, so I just ordered a pack of perm rods from off of Amazon and I put them on the ends and on the hair pieces just so it gives a little something. Super cute. If I sound sick, it's because I am. I don't know what I caught, but I started feeling really bad a few days ago. I've been taking medicine and everything, and today, like, I feel a lot better, but I'm still very stuffy, so. But I'm super excited, guys. I'm about to finish packing. I already started packing. We don't have an itinerary. We kind of have like a semi-itinerary, so we looked up some places that we're going to try to go to and visit. So I just packed according to that, and we shall see where the weekend takes us, honestly. So the weather, we were anticipating the weather to be a little warmer, but it's actually gonna be in the 60s, which isn't horrible, but I was expecting it to be in the 70s or something. So we shall see. So this is what it came out as. This side looks a lot better because I think I used more on this side versus this side, but it still looks super cute. You guys can see, but it still looks super cute. So I'm kind of in a rush now. Not really in a rush, but I need to get it together and start going. I'm always a person that thinks I have time until it's time, and then I'm like, oh shit, I gotta get it together. So right now I'm like, oh shit, I gotta get it together. But at least I'm fully packed. All I gotta do is pack my toiletries. And then I have to drop my dog off at a friend's house since they are watching him for the weekend. And then I can head to the airport. I really love the curls. Also, guys, I got my eyelashes done today. I did like I think it was a hybrid set with the doll eye effect. So I think the doll eye is whenever it's longer, like in the middle. But I'm loving them because last time I got the volume, and I don't know, I'm kind of torn between the volume. The only thing I don't like about the volume is that whenever, like if they're not fresh, they look very all over the place. So I like the hybrid because as they fall off, it still looks like natural and decent. But with volume, especially last time I got the volume wispy, so the wispy has like the longer pieces and it just looks like super crazy whenever it's falling off. So I think I just have one more. And I will be packing medicine for the weekend because I'm almost over this. I guess it was a cold, so I'm trying to really push it out because I'm gonna have to return to work next week and I do not want to return and I'm feeling horrible. Okay, so the curls got a refresh. I'm loving it. Now I know when I need to do whenever I need to give them a refresh. These are like hella curly, but I'm liking them. I'm trying to see if I should like bring these in the trip with me, but I feel like I will not want to put perm mods in my hair. But I'm about to finish packing up my stuff, and I will catch up with you guys later, probably at the airport or something. We are in San Diego. This is our rental. So this is our rental. The guy at the counter literally set us up with a red ass car, and they're so cute. But we're about to go get brunch at this really cute restaurant called Morning Glory. Still sound a little sick, but we're about to get brunch and probably go shopping and stuff. So we shall see. It'll be fun.
Maybe I love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What we want. My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not what I want. It's some me time. Hope you doing what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. No, but mom, my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well. It's some me time. I don't know. You doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. In the meantime, it's not doing what I want. It's some me time. You doing what you want. In the meantime, it's not doing what I want. It's some me time. You doing what you want. Maybe I don't love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What we want. My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going what I want. It's some me time. Hope you doing what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. No, but mom, my killers don't tell. Shadow, I'm off of the New York the shelf. Now my bitches did it to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna call you and get a little maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well. Get some me time. I don't know. You know what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. In the meantime, it's not going what I want. Get some me time.